Schools shouldn't be shocked when their students hate school or get sick of it. They make you sit in uncomfortable seats for hours. They make you raise hands to do anything. They time how long you eat and go outside. They confuse control with discipline. They see creativity with weird, different ways as lazy. They see numbers as potential. Their teachers are tired, underpaid, and they expect us to study 6 subjects in 3 hours. They only care about the grades, not the mind. Technology has changed, but schools haven't.